Hello everyone, welcome back to another deep dive into health and nutrition. Today we're talking about something truly important, how your diet can either feed or fight cancer. Now, this isn't medical advice, it's information based on what research shows about how food choices can influence your body. The idea is simple. What you eat every day can either support healthy cells or create the kind of environment that allows damaged cells to grow. Cancer doesn't just appear overnight. It develops slowly over years of inflammation, poor diet, and stress. Inside your body, every healthy cell has a built-in switch that tells it to self-destruct when something goes wrong. But when you live with too much stress, eat too much processed food, or lack essential nutrients, that switch can fail. The cell doesn't die. It mutates and begins dividing uncontrollably. That's where cancer begins. Many experts now consider cancer a metabolic disease, meaning it has a lot to do with how your body processes energy, especially sugar. Cancer cells love sugar. In fact, they consume up to 20 times more glucose than normal cells. When you eat a diet full of sugar and refined carbs, your blood sugar spikes, your insulin rises, and those cells get exactly what they want. Insulin isn't just a blood sugar hormone, it's also a growth signal. High insulin tells your body to store fat and grow. For cancer cells, that's like stepping on the gas pedal. The more sugar and refined food you eat, the more fuel those cells receive to multiply. If you want to take away their power, you have to stop feeding them what they crave most: sugar. Reducing sugar and refined carbohydrates is one of the most powerful things you can do to starve cancer cells and calm inflammation. But it doesn't stop there. High insulin levels also weaken your immune system. Your body has special cells designed to seek out and destroy anything abnormal, like natural killer cells and macrophages. When insulin remains high for long periods, those immune soldiers slow down and can't do their job properly. That's one reason why people with obesity, insulin resistance, or type 2 diabetes often have a higher risk of cancer. The body becomes stuck in a state where high insulin and inflammation create the perfect conditions for damaged cells to grow. One of the best ways to reverse that environment is intermittent fasting. Fasting isn't about starvation, it's about giving your body time to rest and repair. When you fast, insulin levels drop, inflammation decreases, and your body activates a built-in cleaning process called autophagy. During autophagy, your cells break down and recycle old or damaged parts, helping prevent mutations that can lead to disease. You don't need any pills or supplements for this, just a structured eating schedule that allows your body to reset naturally. Along with fasting, it's essential to eat real, nutrient-dense foods. Focus on healthy fats, clean proteins, and plenty of non-starchy vegetables. Salmon, eggs, olive oil, avocados, and leafy greens are great choices. These foods help stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and deliver vital nutrients like magnesium, zinc, selenium, and vitamins A, D, and E, all of which strengthen your immune system. Certain plant compounds also have remarkable protective effects. Broccoli sprouts, for example, contain a compound called sulforaphane, which studies show can help trigger the death of damaged or cancerous cells in the lab. Eating this way isn't about restriction. It's about balance, giving your body what it truly needs and removing what harms it. Now, let's talk about toxins. Even a great diet can lose its effect if your body is overloaded with chemicals. Many processed foods are filled with seed oils, such as soybean, corn, and canola oil. These oils are unstable and easily oxidized, leading to inflammation inside the body. Inflammation damages cells, DNA, and tissues, which over time increases the risk of chronic disease. The same goes for preservatives, artificial colors, and pesticides. They add to your body's toxic burden and make your liver work harder. That's why eating clean whole foods makes such a difference. Choose organic produce whenever you can, and replace industrial oils with olive oil, avocado oil, or grass-fed butter. Your immune system is your natural line of defense, but it only works well if you take care of it. Sleep, stress, and nutrients all play a role. Make sure you get enough vitamin D, either from sunlight or supplements, and keep your zinc and magnesium levels up. When stress levels are high, your body produces too much cortisol, which suppresses immune function and gives cancer cells a better chance to grow. That's why stress management is more than emotional care. It's physical protection. Deep breathing, meditation, or simply spending quiet time in nature can bring your stress hormones back into balance and give your immune system room to work. Another key piece is gut health. About 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. A poor diet, high in sugar and low in fiber, destroys beneficial bacteria, leaving your body vulnerable to inflammation and disease. To fix that, include fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and kefir in your diet. These help restore the natural balance of good bacteria in your digestive tract. Vegetables rich in fiber also feed those good microbes, helping them thrive and protecting you from harmful pathogens. When your gut is balanced, inflammation drops, digestion improves, and your immune system becomes stronger, which means your body becomes less inviting to cancer. So that's the foundation. Cancer prevention starts with changing the internal environment that allows it to develop. In the next part, we'll explore some of the most effective diet approaches backed by research, from ketogenic and Mediterranean styles to powerful plant-based combinations, and how they can help your body fight back naturally.